Each monsoon, farmers from villages like Piprawa in Baki cross the swollen Rapti River to reach the western agricultural plains of Chauferi carrying bundles of rice seedlings on their heads. Small wooden boats used for crossing have capsized during sudden surges in the river. When the floodwaters rise in repeated waves, passengers barely manage to survive. There is no other route to the fields. Without planting, there is no food. For many, risking their lives has become part of farming. Farmers typically give the boat owners around 40 kilograms of rice and an equal amount of wheat annually in exchange for transport. For those harvesting just a few quintals each season, this is the only way to access their farmland.
अब जैसे बढ़ियाएगा जाए थे ऊपर उतर जा बढ़ियाएगा तब जाना वही पार परी लौट ना आवे जब बाढ़ टूटे तब उतर पाई
बिहार हो देखो लिए जाते हैं इनके बच्चे भी हैं ये माता बहना लोग ही जाते हैं खेत बैठावे बहुत जने अपने खेत बैठावे जाते हैं बहुत जने ये मजदूरी पर जाते हैं अब ये खेत बैठावे तो जाते हैं और नदी में अगर बाढ़ हो जाए या कोनो गारंटी नहीं है कि ना वह पार जाई कि न जाई बिचन में रह जाए खतरा हो जाए.
There are 3 key river crossings in the area, Piprawa, Satighat and Balpurwa, where small boats are used throughout the monsoon. Every year, the sudden rise in water levels and powerful currents make navigation extremely dangerous. Young boatmen say they often fear for their lives while steering through the flood.
मरेको मान्छे बचेको मै नदीमा नाउ पल्टुलो मेरामा जस्तो लहरा मार्छ नि समुद्रको त्यस्तै लहरा बाढीमा मार्छ डुङ्गा हलाउँछ पल्टिहाल्छ पल्टुनु डर हुन्छ के सपोर्ट त्यो के भन्छन् सेफ्टी पनि हुनु आफूसँग जति सक्ने नत्र बगेर जाने.
Some boat operators have been working at these crossings for over a decade. On the Nepali month of Ashar, during one such rescue, an experienced boatman lost the very vessel he had been using for years when it was swept away while saving 8 stranded villagers.
आज 3 दिन भएको त्यो जोखिममा परिगएको थियौं न के ज्याकेट साकेट केही थिएन 8 जना पर्या थियौं जोखिममा.
Locals still recall the devastating flood in the Nepali year of 2044 when nearly 100 people were killed after boats capsized at this same location. Only 2 boatmen survived. Since then, residents have continued to demand the construction of a bridge to ensure safe and reliable passage.
फरिंदा केर पिपराहवा केर देवपुरा केर झगड़िया केर इमा 100 आदमी 150-200 आदमी रहे तिमा 100 आदमी खत्म हो गए
पूरे जान से.
हाँ पूरे जान से खत्म हो गए एक घर के 4 5 6 आदमी खत्म हो गए.
हमसे नदी बाढ़ रहा है जावा जात रहा हुई पारी में घर का ना एकदम डूबे लाग है तो हमसे बहुत मुश्किल से बचागा. यहाँ तो एकदम यहाँ पुल के जरूरी है सर कि
बाढ़ ही आ जाता है तो बहुत खतरा रहता है. यहाँ पे बहुत जरूरी से पुल होना चाहिए.
Crossing the Rapti River in small boats during peak monsoon is a high-risk journey. Without a secure transportation alternative, threat of fatal accidents remains a constant reality for these farming communities. A report by Jay Pandey for Kantipur News.